Good morning, guys. If you are new here, my name is Laura Evans. I am a third-year teacher. I will be teaching second grade this year, and previous to this I've been teaching fourth grade. So today is the day I'm moving into my classroom. So as you can see, the car is filled. I am driving my dad's car today, so I could fill a little bit more because he has a big Suburban. So we're taking that on up to the school, and yeah, so I think I'll probably just like catch up with y'all once I get to the school because there's not much to show you until then. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm in my classroom. All right, guys, I am in my room. Woohoo! I'm gonna show you guys a quick little overview before we start moving stuff in. We're at the door. If you come around this way, there is a closet, which I'm gonna go through later. And then if we keep going, we have a cute little built-in, again, which I'm gonna go through later. I'll show you guys. We have our own restroom. I wonder, that's interesting. Looks like they hot glued that on. Bulletin board, some tables. We're at the windows, some cubbies, my table, some whiteboards, another bulletin board. So this is it. Looks pretty good. I'm excited. So I'm gonna start moving stuff in, and I'll probably not film that because that's kind of boring and y'all have seen tons of me moving in. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll catch up with you guys once I move stuff in. So first things first, I wanted to see like what was in my cabinets. So I opened them up, and this is what I see. Nothing underneath the sink. Nothing. And then in this big one, there's a few things, but nothing much. The big thing I'm gonna have to go through is these shelves above the sink. And wait till y'all see this. In my storage closet. Oh boy. I like don't even know where to start. So one of the other teachers came in and told me that I should move all the books that were in this room onto the bookshelves because most teachers only have one in the room and I have two. So I moved a bunch out there. I don't know if y'all can see like right there, but now I just found a whole bunch more back here. So I'm gonna move all this out here just so I have like a clean slate and I can go through it all. So Alright, so it is all empty now. I'm gonna sweep it out. And then I'm thinking I'm gonna have to put my mini fridge here because this is the only plug in this. I don't think there's any other plugs unless I get a cord, but I'm thinking I'm gonna have to put it here because this is the only plug. So I think we'll move it in here. And they also left me a bunch of anchor charts, so that's cool. Alright, I moved the mini fridge in. I moved it over a little bit from the door because this filing cabinet is too close, but I think if I can, I'll move, because I think this one is getting moved out of my room. So I think this one I'll move over, or if I can, I would like it to go back there because I don't like filing cabinets, and then I can move this into this corner because I bet you there's a plug back there. But yeah, we'll have to figure that out. Now I need to start tackling all of this. All right, so it's been many hours later now. I made a little bit of a dent in the pile that is on the desk, but I really haven't gone through a lot of the stuff that was in the closet. I haven't gone through the books or anything. I ended up going with a couple of my new coworkers to get some stuff from Publix, and then had to set up my new email and all that. So I'm actually going to get back to work now, so I figured I would just update y'all. So let's get back to work. we got Spiderville down here. Gonna clean this out. And other cabinets. So I've now wiped down the cabinets that are in here. I'm gonna have to do those shelves soon. But let me know what you guys think I should put down here. Obviously in this one I'm gonna put like cleaning supplies, whatever, because it's underneath the sink and that's normal. But these two ones have like long shelves. So I don't really know what to put in them. So let me know what you guys think. And then this big cabinet. I don't know either. So let me know. So I'm thinking on these shelves above the sink, I'm gonna put my little like supply kits that I like use just for myself. It's like kind of like my resupply stuff. Because they fit pretty nicely. But then I'm also thinking that like it would be cool to have them like as more decor stuff, like cutesy things. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Okay, so I took the storage stuff out of those shelves and put them in here. I know that they're not all facing the right way, but that's how they fit. And then under this first shelf, I put just like extra paper and notebooks. I don't know, I guess this whole area will be like kind of supplies. I don't know. And now I'm just sitting on a table in my room because I can. I don't know what to do. Oh, and I found out I can't move my teacher desk. I have to keep that. So, and it has to stay where it is. Like I literally can't move it, like not even against the wall. So I don't know though. I don't know. I need help. I need help in these books. I don't even want to go into it. I guess what I can do in the meantime while I'm pondering is I can set up like my desk stuff because that's easy and can easily be reorganized. So I guess I'll do that. This is rough. I had like a little thing that went on top of this black thing here, but I can't find it. I don't know if it's at my dad's still or what. But that's like my filing thing that I use, so I don't know. Ugh, I need to clean everything. There's so many bugs. Okay, so I put my carpet out. It also looks really small next to these bookshelves. But anyways, I'm thinking I want to move the computers like against the wall. But then that might be too long a computer, so I don't know. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see. Okay, so I put one like that, and I like it like that. And then I'm thinking like I'll put like a little like saucer chair there to like break up the library, or maybe I'll put like this little table over here or something. I don't know. But then I have this other set of computers here. And I don't know what to do with them. My whole thing is I want to be able to see every computer. That's a big thing for me. So I don't know, I might have to like unplug all these things. This is so stressful. I just wish I had a magical fairy that cleaned my classroom and set it up for me. Today on this note, I need help figuring out what desk arrangement I should do. I don't know if I should do 4s, if I should do lines, if I should do 6s. I don't know. I need y'all's help. And then the other thing is I need to know where to put my kitty table back there, and if I should keep my computers back here against the wall. I don't know what to do. I need y'all's help. So I'm gonna give you a last span of the room, and then that's gonna be it for today. So thank you so much for watching day 1 classroom setup. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss day 2. I will be here in 2 days to start working on day 2, so I need y'all's help. So let me know, leave comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.